Hello and welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best product reviews on the market. Today, we're looking at the HONLYNE 38 PCS giant 16-inch foam glow sticks, the best glow sticks for Halloween. These giant 16-inch foam glow sticks are perfect for bringing the ultimate experience to your party. With vibrant colors and 3 different light-up modes: quick flashing, slow flashing, and alternately flashing. These glow sticks are sure to spice up any event. Made from high-quality materials, these foam glow sticks can provide up to 8 hours of glowing light, so you can enjoy your party all night long. Plus, they are battery-operated and come with an on and off switch for easy use. Customers have raved about the HONLYNE glow sticks, saying they are fun, bright, and perfect for any party. Whether you're celebrating Halloween or Christmas, or just want to add some extra flair to your event, these glow sticks are sure to impress. So if you're looking for the best glow sticks for Halloween, look no further than the HONLYNE 38 PCS giant 16-inch foam glow sticks. Get yours today and light up your next party. Thanks for watching Product Critique.